Hey guys, welcome back again. Just kind of walking through some Google Apps stuff with you right now. This is again that 3x3 box is how we get to our Google Drive, and this will be a video about uploading things to Google Drive. You can see kind of that it'll track your activity in your Drive, which is a really cool thing that popped up. You can see that I started a class using Google Classroom, and again, it'll keep track of anything that pops up there, which is a nice feature. It tells you who last worked on it, whatever that may be. So basically, when you come to Google Drive, there's a couple different things I want to show you. This search bar will search anything in your Google Drive account. If you think you call the file something and it's in this, using this same stuff that they use to search the web, they'll use to search your Drive box. Again, over here, kind of the info, hide things with this, change the design layout on how it all gets going there. This getting started with Google Drive document is actually a pretty good document if you guys want to take some time to look at that as well. Settings, you can change the experience, you can change the view, that kind of thing. We can switch over to the new drive, which is a little different look. It's kind of a nice look. Different style. It's up to you, whatever you guys want to use. I'm going to switch back to the old drive, the one that you would default into. All right, settings, that kind of stuff. Upload settings, this is a pretty cool thing. So when I go to upload things, it'll give me an option to convert it to a Google Doc, which may cause formatting if I've been working in Word or PowerPoint, may cause kind of formatting issues, as well as if I have a PDF, it may cause, may not read it quite right. So I always like to read it. Depends on what it is. Simple text, there's no harm in converting it to a Google Doc. If it's, a complex document that I've put together, probably don't want to convert it. So I like to do that. Now to create, again, this is the create, give you an idea of what things look like. A document, it's your basic word processor, it's online. The really cool thing is the share feature. If I share it with someone, multiple people can work on this document at once. You can have a conversation, you can have different people answering things. Very powerful thing for group work, for that kind of thing. Also for, you can create it and send it out to the kids, share it with them, and then each of them has a file on your drive in which you can monitor their progress. It's a pretty powerful tool in the classroom to use if you choose to use it as such. I can create a presentation. It's going to be PowerPoint, but it's going to lack a lot of the strength that typical PowerPoint will have. So it'll give you a couple different, styles to do. And here it is. And again, insert an image, different things. And if you highlight it, it's kind of cool. It'll tell you exactly what it wants to do. Text box, background, layout, whatever it is, kind of there. And you can see it's updated there now. If I were to create a spreadsheet, you can see here's a spreadsheet created, kind of nice there. And then finally, if I wanted to create a form, so give me an opportunity to write a couple quizzes for kids, and it'll tell you kind of how to do it and how everything works for that. Now the really cool thing with this is not just the form, but the add-ons, and I'll do a video about those in a little bit. But so here I am, right? I've got these things. I want to create a folder. I want to say, PD videos, and I want to create that folder there. Now I have a folder here. It's an important folder to me, so I'm going to star it so that I can always find it, even if I haven't worked on it in a while. These columns are sortable, so I can see who it was last edited by. I can see the time last modified or last open. So it kind of gives you a cool different thing to kind of look. Now I want to look at files. Now there's a couple different things I can do. I can upload just the file, or I can upload the folder. Either way, it's going to give me that opportunity to kind of do some things a little differently here. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to select one file real quick, and I'll do our last video that I posted, navigating to Google Drive, and I will upload that. And I don't want to convert this, and it's not really there, but you can see that I've asked it to confirm each time I upload. I start my upload, and it's going to take a couple moments. So as I'm doing that, I may want to look for a different one. Here's my video, and it's not quite processed yet. It's not going to fire right away. But what I can do is I can put that in my PD video bin right here, and now it's in this folder. And now it's kind of how I would go about doing different things here. Try a different folder. We'll go back and upload, unit 1 of Econ up real quick. Do I want to convert stuff? No, let's just upload it, and it's got 409 files. It's gonna take a while. So just kind of waiting and patience is a key here. So I canceled that after about 100 files just to kind of show you. And I've already started to get a little sloppy with this as I put Unit 1 in my PD video folder, which makes no sense at all. So what I'm going to do is this gives you the option to drag and drop if using Chrome. I'm just going to place that on my drive. I'm going to create a new folder real quick, and I'm going to call it Economics 2014. Create. Again, I did that in the wrong spot. Now it's back on my drive. I'm going to click my drive, get over here. And I'm going to drop that into my econ class, and now it's there. Now you can see that I have all of these files, these different items in here, PDFs, you know, a lot of stuff that's different here that I can click on, and all of a sudden it's there and we're ready to go. So just kind of quick how to upload files, how to get files into Google Drive to show you how to do it. Thanks for watching, and tune in again as we go further into Google.